Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate workflow automation with Zapier easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button located at the top of the page. You will now need to choose a trigger app. This is the application where an event will start your automation. For example, select an email app if you want to trigger actions based on incoming emails. After selecting your trigger app, choose the specific event. Follow the prompts to connect your account and authorize access. Once connected, test your trigger to ensure it captures the right data. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now, it's time to select an action app. This is the app that will carry out the task after the trigger. Choose the appropriate app that you'd like to automate with. Next, select the specific action you want that app to perform. Again, connect your account if prompted and grant necessary permissions. Afterward, map the data from the trigger to the action fields. Check that all fields are filled in correctly for smooth operation. Now, run a test to see if the action works as intended. If everything looks good, click on Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your workflow is now automated, and Zapier will handle it from here. To review or edit your zaps, return to the dashboard. You can create multiple zaps using different triggers and actions. This flexibility allows you to automate various tasks efficiently. Feel free to explore the Zapier library for additional integrations and ideas. With practice, you'll find new ways to streamline your workflow. Now, enjoy the extra time you've gained through automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.